Unlock the secrets of neuroprotection. SARM1 pathway manipulation. Discover cutting-edge research on combating neurodegeneration through SARM1 pathway modulation. Learn how targeting this crucial cellular mechanism could revolutionize treatments for Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other neurodegenerative disorders. Delve into the molecular intricacies of SARM1 signaling and its role in axonal degeneration. Explore promising strategies for therapeutic intervention that could slow or even halt the progression of devastating neurological diseases. Note the change in this patient's hand movement and facial expression.